I am starting on the left corner away from the TV for you, right? Away from the screen. Here is the side step. We will adapt the backward ocho to the chair, but here we have the double backward ocho that will continue in a molinete. Forward, side, and here it comes another backward ocho, only one. Let's use this to go back to the beginning. So it's a way to practice the exercise around the chair. Double backward ocho, around the chair, one backward ocho, to come back to where we started. Again, double backward ocho, around the chair, one backward ocho, to come back. It's a back ocho that changes the direction of the turn. Here, one to change the direction of the turn. Double backward ocho. Around the chair, and come back to the beginning. One more time. Double backward ocho to go into the turn, around the chair, and here in the backward step, one backward ocho to change the direction of the turn. One more time, because I like it. Around the chair. And now change the direction